So there's not going to be very much geometry on the PSAT for 8th and ninth graders. You haven't learned much geometry in school yet, but the stuff that they are going to ask about is usually going to be pretty straightforward, and it's going to be things where we probably have the formulas that we need from the reference chart. So this is just asking for the area of a rectangle. They gave us both of the dimensions. They also, in the reference chart, give us the formula for the area of a rectangle. So there's really no excuse here. However, I would say by 8th grade, you should know that the area of a rectangle is length times width. That is basic math, basic formula. So if you don't have that memorized, you're already starting to fall behind in what's expected of you for your math. So try to get caught up. But if we have the formula given to us, then I guess why not use it, right? We are looking for the area. The length is 7. The width is 6. So you're multiplying 7 times 6. And again, in terms of your math abilities, you should know without a calculator that 7 times 6 is 42. Why should you know that? Because that's your basic times tables. And again, there are certain things that you really need to have memorized and be comfortable with before you can start to really add on the more complicated math you're going to see in the next couple of years. So if you are in 8th or ninth grade and you do not know your times tables perfectly, that is something that you should be studying. It is really, really important because you are going to get into so much more complicated math where just multiplying two numbers is one very simple step. And if you are unsure about that step, then all the other more complicated steps will be even harder for you. So learning the times tables, I say this a lot, is the single most important thing you can do to be good at math. So if that isn't good, get good at it. It's really worth the time.